So back again, we'll just go back to the other stuff. So from any screen, we want to pair a mobile to this system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth's on. Into settings, onto Bluetooth, Bluetooth on, and then we can either click telephone here or navigate there. It's come straight up, search for a new mobile phone. We'll go the other way just to make it a bit more difficult. So into menu, navigate to telephone, search for a new mobile. It's already showing this chap that's had it has changed the thing to Tim Tam Audi, which, don't get me started. Continue. If I click on there, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Pin entry required, connect, yes. Does the pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? Yes, it does. Do you want to allow contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, I won't be using the car again, but you will. So I'll click don't allow there. But basically that's it connected. Now,